So let's fix those rounded shoulders. If you spend any significant amount of time sitting at a desk or sitting at a table, a lot of times shoulders will want to round forward, our back will want to round as well, and we'll kind of find our head looking up. So one way that we could go in and start to mobilize that is using a foam roller. So we're going to place that foam roller underneath our back, and we're going to be rolling back while extending over the foam roller, rolling up and back. So we're getting mobilization through the muscles, but also that foam roller is blocking the segment below, allowing us to get localized extension at each of those vertebrae there. After going up and back 30 times or so, we're going to take that foam roller and just orient that vertically. We're going to sit on that and lay with our spine lined up on that foam roller. Our shoulders pulled down and back, our palms rotated up, and we're going to go into like a snow angel, keeping our arms back, not letting them come forward. So we're going from here up, try not to hike the shoulders and try not to let those arms get pulled forward. Going through about 20 of those snow angels. Then I'm just going to allow my arms to drop out to my side, opening up the chest and the front of the shoulders. Going to use some deep breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Sinking deeper into the stretch as I exhale there. And just hold in the position 2 minutes or so.